Hello everyone, my name is Moonrathore and you are watching Artbymoon. I saw nowadays people are making abstract paintings, especially of God. So I thought, why shouldn't I try this? I have made this in my version. There you go, this is my version. I have made Vishnu ji and Lakshmi ji. I have used canvas copy, you can get this from any stationery. Some acrylic paints, a color palette, some painting brushes and some Posca markers. This is going to be my reference for this abstract painting and I got this from Google. First we will do sketching. It is very easy, you just have to make a curved line and then a slanting line for faces. Now I am using a basic green color for Vishnuji's clothes. Here I am using red acrylic paint for Lakshmiji's upper clothes. Use brown color for hairs and pink color for sari, and now I am using navy blue color for the snakes. Using yellow color for Prakash for both Lakshmiji and Vishnuji. These are just the base colors. Now I am using a shade of brown for face shadows, adding orange color on it and applying it with water. From now I will be using orange color and skin color for the body parts. Again apply it with water and merging it nicely. Using dark green color for shadows of Vishnuji's clothes and light green color for highlights. Applying golden color for sari's border, and also I have used golden color for Vishnuji's clothes and silver color for highlighting ornaments and highlighting flower, lotus, and white color for flowers on Lakshmiji's hair. Using purple color for scales on snakes for extra detailings. Using turquoise color for background. Then I have used light turquoise color for waves for water effect, and then I am using black color for the outlines. Be careful while doing this or it will ruin your whole painting. Then I have used a normal black pen for small detailings. Just let you know that I have highlighted the ornaments, added a white flower mala and golden mala for Lakshmiji, focused on lotus, and made a satya on Lakshmiji's hand. So here I am done with my version of abstract painting of Lakshmiji and Vishnuji. So this is how my masterpiece looks like. Thanks for watching. Hope the process was helpful for you. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and comment down below how you like it. Meet you at next Thursday.